Hi, my name is Denise Richards, and I want to teach you today how to present your best self. I want to do this in 3 different parts, talking about I want to start over. Hi, my name is Denise Richards. I have 2 packages here. Now, one package looks like it took a lot of time and energy and care to come up with. One package looks a little less pristine. Which package would you like? If you could only choose one gift, which one would you be drawn to? If you're like most people, you would be drawn to the beautifully wrapped package. Now, in truth, each of these packages has the exact same thing inside. But most people are drawn to things that look nice. They look put together. And like packages, like these packages, our packaging matters. How we present ourselves matters. And so I want to teach you today a few tips and tricks on how to present your best self by looking your best, building confidence, and making a good first impression. First of all, when looking your best, you have to determine what occasion you are dressing for. Are you dressing for something that's just casual, maybe business casual, church dress, formal? Determine the type of event that you are going to before you choose your wardrobe. And when choosing your wardrobe, do so wisely. Choose colors that accentuate your features and look good with your skin tone, with your hair and eye color, and that you feel comfortable and confident in. And now a good way to tell if you have a warm or a cool skin undertone is by wearing either a gold bracelet or a silver bracelet on your arm, and determine which looks better with your skin. And some of the warm colors that you can wear are like these. Do these look better with your skin? Or some of the cool colors that you wear are like these. Do these look better with your skin? Stand in front of a mirror and choose different clothes off the different sides of the color wheel and put them up to you and see what you really look best in, what you feel best in, what kind of colors portray the kind of person that you are. What do your clothes say about you, right? What are the staples of your wardrobe? Make sure, whatever they are, that your clothes are properly fitting. Uncomfortably, improperly fitting clothes are a dead giveaway that you're not putting your best effort in to looking good and polished. Make sure that your clothes are becoming to your body type. Perhaps you're worried about looking overweight, so maybe you don't maybe you don't wear a horizontally striped shirt. Maybe you decide to wear a vertical striped shirt to draw the eye up and down. Instead of making yourself look wider, you make yourself look a little bit taller. And that's one way to accentuate your body type and look good in the clothes that you wear. Make sure that your clothes are comfortable. Make sure that they're clean. Those things are really important to making a good first impression. If you look really uptight and uncomfortable, like you can't quite move in your clothes, then you're not going to be giving your best impression. And definitely if they're not clean, that does not make a good impression, visually or aromatically. Now make sure that when you're deciding on the staples of your wardrobe, that most items are classics, and then of course throw in a few trendy items that you think represent you and show your personality. But you don't want everything in your wardrobe to show every bit of your personality. Sometimes you want to give people a chance to get to know you a little bit before coming across a bit too loud. And choose your accessories wisely. If you use too many accessories, then that's all people will see is your accessories. But if you wear modest accessories that accentuate your face, your clothes, and your outfit, and that make you feel good and confident, then that's a great way to put a little polish on looking your best. Now, in building confidence, this is really important to presenting your best self. Our best selves are our most confident selves. So take a look in the mirror and maybe have a conversation with yourself. freeze the face that you make during that conversation and look in the mirror and really determine what kind of vibe you're giving off. What does your face say? What does your body say? What do your arms say? Your posture? What kind of things are you telling people without using words? Now, sometimes we just need to act confident until we can become confident. It's like the fake it till you make it. So make sure that you can look people in the eye, practice it if you need to. Practice having a firm handshake, especially important if you're going into an interview. And most importantly, in the words of Annie, you're never fully dressed without a smile. So smile, light up your eyes. It shows people that you're confident and comfortable if you smile, and it automatically puts them at ease. Lastly, we just want to make a good first impression. So if you've got your clothes down, if you've got your confidence down, you are well on your way to making a good first impression. We will be giving an impression of ourselves to others that we meet at church, in public, at work, in interviews, at school. Everywhere we go, we're giving an impression of ourselves. So that's why it's so important to really care about what your package says to other people. Make sure that you have proper hygiene, that your teeth are brushed, that you're shaved, showered, a sharp haircut, that your fingernails look trimmed and clean. You'd be surprised at the little things that can really turn other people off about our appearance. And it's not to say that appearance is the only thing that matters, but we want people to give us a chance to get to know us, and they need to be able to focus on us instead of just our appearance. And it puts others at peace when we look put together. It gives us that extra oomph in our step to make our the impression that we want, the image that we want to portray. So remember this: you will be the face of the company, family, or organization that you represent every day. Make sure it's a good and polished face that you can be proud of each and every day. Put it all together and become the polished package. When you feel better on the outside, you feel better on the inside, and vice versa. It's important not to neglect either. Now, while the Lord looketh on the heart, we humans tend to look on the outside. So it's important to make our outsides match our insides. Good luck putting out your best self.